From my perspective, the question is, what's the cloud all about? Why are we making such a noise about vaporware, hot water or hot air? I think you have read a lot of these, the third one, a lot of these papers and seminars or whatever you read about this new wording, new buzzword, new marketing campaign, or whatever you take it. And now the question is, what's behind it? From my perspective, it is about service. It is about, as Simon said, about, oops, bad colors, I'm sorry for that. It's about service sourcing. So, I'm pretty sorry for that bad color, but I hope you can see the main things. So you have all the different clouds on the lower level, however you name them. And I think it's very good to see how fantasy works. Storage as a cloud, platform as a cloud, network as a cloud. Somebody has written about everything as a cloud or a service. Everything as a service in a cloud. From my perspective, it's about sourcing service contributions, and you have some service pumps which take out the service contributions from the ground, from the cloud, to combine it to ICT-based business support services. There are some functions, there are some benefits which are aggregated to business support services, which may be the Salesforce services for customer relationship management or whatever you take. And there's one person who will use these ICT-based business support services, a service consumer. It's an employee in the business unit who has to do business. So he will consume this aggregation of service contributions, and he has triggered a service. He has triggered a service delivery for doing his day-to-day work. Consuming the business, consuming the service output, consuming the benefits of the service, he will create business value. Not the IT about, not the clouds, not the IT in the clouds itself generates the business value, not the service contributions to do this, nor the integrated or aggregated business support service, but the service consumer consuming the benefits which come out of the business support service. He is generating business value in a business process he's working in. So somebody must organize this aggregation from service contributions to a business support service, and someone must order it. So there will be a service customer ordering via SLA from an accountable service provider, please generate business support services for my guys in my business unit. Do something, whatever you want to do, take power, energy, IT, computers, networks, whatever you need, and generate something which helps my guys do their day-to-day work. The accountable service provider has to do this job. And he has to find out the cloud operators, I name them service suppliers, which operate the cloud, or the clouds, and all the internals in there, and which generate, or who generate these service contributions. He takes some kind of contract or agreement, operational level agreement or underpinning contract, to commission the service contribution delivery. To commission from cloud operators specific, distinct, and clearly specified service contributions, and to combine and aggregate them to these triggered business support services. So from my perspective, the accountable service provider really has to compose service delivery, organize an interaction, a sequence of interactions based on the contributions which are delivered from out the cloud, and generate these business support services. down behind the clouds, or in the clouds, you know this, and Simon has really very good illustrated it. You have all these technical things we are talking about, virtualization and storage systems and whatever thing is in there, but they are the background, they are the basis for generating service contributions and aggregating business support services. That's it. Time over.
You're early, Paul.